Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Genshin Impact or your Mihoyo account permanently. So, you can delete your Genshin Impact or your Mihoyo account from both your mobile device as well as your PC. And if you look at your app or the website, you will not find the option delete account anywhere. So, in order to delete your account, you'll have to directly send a request to Mihoyo or Genshin Impact in order to delete your account. So to do that, you'll have to go to your mail service provider such as your Gmail, Yahoo, AOL, etc. After that, compose a mail. Now, you'll have to send this mail to either genshin_cs@mihoyo.com, or you could also send it to genshin_cm@mihoyo.com. And if you want, you can also send it to both of them. Now, in the subject, type in request to delete my account. And in the body, you can type in your own reason why you want to delete your account. But if you don't want to, you can simply copy it from the description. I'll leave it there. Now, after you've written the reason and your email ID, all you have to do is send the mail. Now, wait for them to reply, and then your account will be permanently deleted. So, that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.